AJ with Ultimate Boat Wraps, going to put on some registration numbers today. Going to start with our alcohol wipes that are provided in your kit. Just prep the entire area that you want your registration numbers to go. We'll let that dry. Take our registration numbers. I like to line mine up off of the body lines or off of the rub rail. We're just going to tack it up on each end. And then we're going to use a center hinge to actually put the graphics on. We're going to put a piece of tape right in the middle on the top. Piece of tape on the bottom. Take and separate the backer from your numbers with your transfer tape. Trim your backing paper off. You can use a squeegee, credit card, or your fingers if you really need to. Hold the graphics tight and just work from one side to the other. Work all the bubbles out. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. This side you don't have to remove the backer all the way if you don't want to right away. Hold it tight and work from one side to the other. Remove your transfer tape. And you're done.